So you're checking out condos in the North Myrtle Beach area. Today we are at Ocean Shores, which is at 105 South Ocean Boulevard, right next to Main Street in the heart of Ocean Drive. Now I got a listing over here, so we're gonna have some good photos for you. We're gonna show you some aerial views. We're gonna check out the pool, all the good stuff. My photographer's here is getting everything set up so we can get some, like I said, good shots for you. So come along, let's go check it out. I'm walking up a set of steps that takes me out to the beach and the ocean. You can see Ocean Shores behind me. 3-story, real nice building, stucco, constructed in the 80s, I think 86. And if I swing the camera just this way, you can see horseshoe section, North Myrtle Beach. All right, might as well walk on down to here to the beach so you can get a great view. You can see the grand scheme, and I can turn the camera around so you can see what you've been wanting to see the entire time anyway, the ocean. Just a stone's throw. What a great view. Again, October, where I'm sitting here in the middle of October at 75 degrees, sunny, sunshiny day in North Myrtle Beach. What a nice condo. This particular unit has been totally and completely redone, remodeled all the way down to the subfloors, 3/4 inch plywood, all new LVP throughout. As you can see, they've got granite countertops. They got a nice wet bar. You can use it for your coffee in the morning. You can use it for entertaining. Got your balcony with a view of the ocean. Like I said, 3 bedrooms. The bathrooms also completely remodeled. Just a nice unit. Whoa, the sun is in my eyes. It's a bright, sunshiny day. Like I said, a bright, sunshiny October day, 75 degrees. Now we're at the pool. You can see the pool behind me. I'm facing back towards the building. And the only thing standing between the pool and the beach is the dunes. And as I walk around the pool, you can kind of see behind me. If you're in Ocean Shores, you got a great view of the ocean, great view of the beach. You can hang out by the pool, just a great place to be. And whenever you get done, you can wash off before you go back upstairs. You got some sand on your feet, what have you. I'm getting ready to walk over here and show you the little shower. As I go through the gate, let's check this out. If you're in one of the condos that's not directly oceanfront, then all you have to do is come through here. Here's the shower I was talking about. And walk up the stairs and you can get to your unit. I'm gonna show you one more quick shot. There's the stairs there. Nice little barbecue grill here. And directly behind me on this balcony is my listing. All right, one more view from the front side, Ocean Shores, walking along the sidewalk on Ocean Boulevard. Check this out. You can see right down to Main Street. You can see right up here, Ocean Drive, the horseshoe section, North Myrtle Beach. So, if you want to know more about this condo, you want to know more about North Myrtle Beach, real estate, the entire Myrtle Beach Grand Strand area, if you're thinking about living here, if you're thinking about investing here, if you got a property you'd like to sell, any or all of the above, I'm not going to handcuff you. I'm not going to force you to buy or sell anything. You can pick up the phone and call me anytime. All of my contact info is below. Remember, if you want to sell it, call Elliot.